Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket, never let it fade away. Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket, save it for a rainy day. For love may come and tap you on the shoulder some starless night, just in case you feel you want to hold her. You'll have a pocket full of starlight. Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket, never let it fade away. Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket, save it for a rainy day. For love may come and tap you on the shoulder some starless night, and just in case you feel you want to hold her, you'll have a pocket full of starlight.
Pocket full of starlight.
Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket, never let it fade away. Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket, save it for a rainy day. Rainy day. For when your troubles start multiplying, and they just might, it's easy to forget them without trying. With just a pocket full of starlight, catch a falling star and put it in your pocket, never let it fade away. Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket, save it for a rainy day.
Save it for a rainy day.
Save it for a rainy day.
Last calling station, Hotel 26.
Hotel 26, this is Romeo. Do you want your Hotel 22 element?
And a black vehicle on our target, right to the north of the Moss.
Yeah, I would like that, over.
Moving south by the Moss Dome, on that road.
Okay, we got a target 15 coming at you. It's a guy with a weapon.
Roger.
There's about 4 or 5.
Bushmaster 6, copy at White 6.
This location, and there's more that keep walking by, and one of them has a weapon.
Roger, received, Carter 15.
Hotel 26.
Okay.
208.
See all those people standing down there?
Stand by. Roger. Stay firm. And open courtyard.
Yeah, Roger. I just estimated there's probably about 20 of them. There's, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if that's...
Any Bushmaster element, copy at White 6. That's a weapon.
Yeah. Hotel 26, Crazy Horse 18.
We'll call free change by Charlie Mike Bravo.
Speed 37.
I'm Red White 6, Bushmaster 6, Romeo. Roger. Fucking break.
Hotel 26 is Crazy Horse 18. Have individuals with weapons.
4 radio.
Rio Banners 1-4.
Yep, he's got a weapon too. Hotel 26, Crazy Horse 18. Have 5 to 6 individuals with AK-47s. Request permission to engage.
Roger that. We have no personnel east of our position, so you are free to engage, over.
Alright, we'll be engaging.
Roger, go ahead. I can't get them now because they're behind that building.
Any Bushmaster element, call
We got an RPG.
Alright, we got a guy with an RPG.
I'm gonna fire. Okay,
No, hold on, let's come around.
Behind buildings right now from our point of view.
Yeah, we're gonna come around and
Hotel
get
26
them from
has
our
an unshot individual with RPG getting ready to fire. We won't. Yeah, we got a guy shooting. Now he's behind the building. God damn it.
Speed coming around.
Negative. He was right in front of the Brad. About there 1 o'clock. Haven't seen anything since then.
Just fucking, once you get on them, just open them up.
Again, Roger. I see your element. You got about 4 Humvees out along this
You're clear.
All right, firing.
line here. When the stage line, let me know when you have it.
Once you light them all up.
202 traffic, 260s.
Come on, fire.
Hey, Roger.
Keep shooting. Keep shooting.
Bushmaster 2-6. We need to move time now.
All right, we just engaged all 8 individuals.
Yeah, we got 2 bursts. We're still firing.
Roger.
Got him.
6 is a 2-6. We'll move, but we got
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, I was done.
bypass.
God damn it, Kyle.
All right. I hit him by head. All right, you're clear.
All right, I'm just trying to find targets again.
Bushmaster 6, this is Bushmaster 2-6.